Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we are going to change the website colors in Odoo. So first of all, let's discard this. Okay, so here you can see that we have this toolbar editor. Okay, so how it will come, so you have to go with the website, and this technical issue, what cannot read the property replace children. Let me reload this. Okay, so here you can see that we have editor, so click on this. So now you can see that we have go with the editor right now. So go to the edit, so go to the theme. So here you can change the colors. So here whatever color you want, just change to this. So here you can see that the colors are changing. Okay, so if you want to change something else, you can change the color, like background, everything, secondary colors to this, so automatically it will go with this. Okay, so this is how you can change the colors from any of the buttons you want. Okay, and the main color you want to change, you just have to drag this and it will automatically goes to the red color. Okay, so here you can just play around with the colors right? And these are the paragraph settings, heading, button, everything, like go get all the settings from here. So just change the color whatever you want, and suppose I want to change like this. So here you can see that the colors, images, everything is coming from here, so you can just set the colors and everything right from here. Okay, so I want to change this button color custom. So here you can see we have the position, we have a content, height, visibility, button, animation you want to add, you can add. Okay, so you see the background color, so you can just go and just check the colors from here. Okay, so you can do like this. So these are the theme colors that you can just change from this edit part, right? Very easy, very simple. So whatever settings or the changes you want to do related to the buttons and the colors, you can just check these color palettes, right? So any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and make sure the debug mode should be on so that you can do the changes like this. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.